Hey there, both of my questions came from Lauren. Her first question is, are you against natural GMO foods as well or just the lab kind? Well, the definition of a GMO or bioengineered would be living organisms that have had their genetics artificially manipulated in a lab through genetic engineering that could not have occurred in nature or through natural crossbreeding methods. So those aren't the same at all. But if you mean like a hybrid type plant, then I think there's nothing wrong with those. I've accidentally planted peppers closely together and came out with a hot banana pepper. The only thing with that is it takes a long time to get, like if I wanted that hot pepper, I would have to, I don't know all the science behind it, but there are people that do, and I'm sure that they could breed these seeds naturally and not in a lab, and I think that those would be fine. Her next question is, what is the harm of GMOs versus natural selective breeding? Well, the harm is GMOs are, I believe the harm is that GMOs are altered in a lab, and these products are not altered to increase yields. These products are altered to withstand blast of herbicides. And the same company that makes these seeds also makes the herbicides, and that's where corporate food control comes in. I mean, they trap our farmers into this, and I believe that's where the real harm comes in those. Well, the harm that we know of, anyways. What other harm would come, I'm not quite sure of, because they monitor what information is released about their products. Private tests are not allowed to be done on those, and they've silenced scientists that have tried to speak out against GMO seeds. And you also stated that we've been eating genetically modified food for thousands of years, which isn't actually accurate. They didn't start modifying them in labs until like maybe 100 years ago, and practically none of our food is how it came originally. That's also not quite true. I know my favorite place to buy seeds from is called rareseeds.com, and they only sell heirloom seeds, which are seeds that have been passed down from generation to generation and have no types of modification to them at all. And I encourage you to check those out and maybe do some more research on what you're actually eating. I hope that I answered your questions, and if not, let me know and I'll try to give it a shot again. Thank you.